Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video, I'm going to tell about the listing celebration of linear. It is token and the symbol of this token is LINA, and here is celebration and also its mega reward being shared by the gate.io. So let's start the video. So please subscribe my channel if you're new on my channel. And if you are new on the gate.io, sign up link is also given in the description section. From there, you can easily sign up and get 40% referral reward from your friends and referrals. So let's start. As I told you that it is a celebration reward. So to celebrate the listing of the linear on gate.io, will hold linear net deposit event. So competition is being start from 25th of January from 900 am UTC to 1 February 900 am UTC. So if you are wanting to participate in this event and if you want to win rewards, then you have to just sign up on the gate.io and just you have to participate in this activity. So let me tell you what is the activity over here. Please remember to fill your form with UID. As I told you in multiple video, just you have to fill up this form. Let me show once again here. You need to log in first, then after you have to enter your gate.io UID, which will be generated after sign up on the gate.io. Okay, and then you have to select event. You can select any of one of the event which you want to participate, or you can select all of the event to complete this. So there are three events. First event is saying that 432520 LINA for user with the top net deposit. So here is the first place holder will get around 1000 US dollar. It means 43,250 LINA. And second place holder will get 34,600 LINA, about 800 USDT. And third place holder will get 25,950 LINA, and it will cost around 600. It means if an user having third place winner, then he will get around $600. So second activity saying new user register and trade, win share of 86,500 LINA. It is will be around 2,000 USDT. So user need to be sign up on the gate.io first, then need to do a valid trade and can receive 430 LINA each. It means $10 approximately. He will take, and all the reward will be served on the basis of first come and first serve. So if you were trading instantly after the listing, then you will stand a great chance to win this reward. Activity third is saying that invite new friend. If you are inviting a new user and he completes its KYC and make any valid amount of the trade, and he will receive 430 in around $10 as well. So hurry up. These three activities are very simple, and you can and your friend can easily complete this activity and easily get much amount of the reward. So let's come back on the main page. Here you can see all the things which I mentioned in other page. Okay, I will mention all the deposit link in the description section. From there you can directly deposit on the LINA. So hope this information is very useful for you all guys. So please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching my video.